Saving items in your OneSearch account. When you locate your search, you are going to go down and find the item that you like. And to the right, you'll see the citation, the email, and the Save to Favorite button. You're going to select the pin. This will save to your favorites. If you see it got highlighted in yellow, you can also remove that from your favorites by also clicking that. So if you wanted to save that, let's say that search and maybe that one, then you can go to your favorites on the top right of the page, or you can select here. You will see those records saved here. And there they are. You can remove them from here as well. Would you like to remove it? Remove that one. And that is how you save your search items to your account.